Good morning, all you happy humans. I am traveling with my most favorite person, my hero, the good-looking guy with the mask on. And we are exploring southern Germany, an area called Bavaria. And man, oh man, do we have a jam-packed adventure to share with you. So get ready, because we've got a big dose of Kottywopple for your coffee this morning. We are starting off with a visit to the Neuschwanstein Castle. We took the shuttle up, and once it gets to the top, you have two choices. Hoof it down to the castle or go stand in line for the Queen Mary's Bridge. You can also hike up from the bottom and enjoy the waterfalls, but this requires a little more time than we had. And although the line is super duper long, the wait is worth it. I mean, views like this, really? Just wow. Okay, so now let's talk about that other castle that sits right next door and is truly magnificent. And since the parking is located at the bottom between the two castles, why wouldn't you visit both? Of course, this takes some planning, so go online to pre-purchase your tickets and plan on spending the entire day to truly enjoy your visit. Oh my goodness, what is this? Yes it is. Okay, you know when I say put your love someplace else? Well, this is it. This is someplace else. And can you think of a better place to put your love? Just look at this place and just listen to that waterfall.
Swept away. It's hard not to love you, so hard that it's easy. I'm flying, I'm floating, I'm falling completely. You will never be my sometimes. You will always be my sunshine.
Did they shave those cows? You in there? It is raining, cats and dogs and cows and everything else on us right now. We just went to the waterfall and we decided we better go back because we're getting super duper wet. But it's all good. People are still out here getting their little hike on, but not us. We're done. So this is our hotel, much bigger room than we normally stay in, but limited service in this area due to Little Miss COVID-19. So it took us a while to find this place, but hey, their special was duck, and it was very good. This morning we are headed out to walk in the treetops.
We're mostly slightly, somewhat completely, for good, yeah, for keeps.
What
Yes,
makes this
we're
bridge
in
sort of kind of
this so
special is the fact that you can stand in 2 different countries at the same time. I mean, come on, how cool is that?
Will always be my sunshine. It's certainly impossible to almost never not love you. You will forever be my always. You'll forever be my always.
This was a nice surprise. We stopped for a coffee break and got to take in some amazing views. Many years ago, my father was the hotel conference coordinator in Garmisch. And all I can say is, wow, much has changed over the past 45 years. We stayed in the Edelweiss, and oh my goodness, I think this place would have blown his mind. Of course, service was limited due to Little Miss COVID, but the facility is truly top-notch. Like most places, the people are the ones who make it or break it, and we were thrilled to hang out with Miles on one of their scheduled tours.
Welcome to the Edelweiss Lodge and Resort. We're happy to have you on one of our tours. Right this way. Bell tower right here. So you can see it's a little bit more medieval than the Baroque.
In the early 18th centuries, the monastery also acted as a knight's academy, which that's kind of cool. And they also have a beer museum. Yep, you heard right, a beer museum. The monks have been brewing up this goodness for over 400 years. And this museum captures some of that hard work and dedication that goes into every batch. Plus, they use local spices grown right here on their grounds. Oh, and they make schnapps too. And then it was off through the cow pasture to visit a cheese factory. But first we got to see these little guys. They sure did like the attention and really enjoyed getting their little heads scratched. Oh man, we had the best cheese pretzel, and I think I drank almost a liter of fresh milk. It was so good. Beautiful Oberammergau, famous for the Passion Play, which has been postponed until 2022, which kind of makes you stop and think. Are they being overly cautious, or do they know something we don't? This is just a quick ice cream stop for us. Thanks, Miles. Oh, and Oberammergau is also famous for their wood carving and the murals on their buildings. Both the buildings, place of business, and their homes have these beautiful hand-painted murals. Where did we go today?
We went to the Ettal Monastery today. We enjoyed a delicious Bavarian brotzeit. We're happy to have you along with us. And we visited a wood carving shop and got some ice cream.
Okay. Well, thanks so much. We appreciate you.
No problem.
So we took a horse and buggy ride up to Partnach Gorge. We had hiked the day before in Austria for about 7 hours. And today was supposed to be a short little hour and a half or so in and out of the gorge. Friggin' tunnel the last time, many years ago. So I don't know about that. Not super excited about that right there. I don't like confined places. Okay, anyways, looks like we're doing something like this. See how far it goes down. Oh, okay. I think you can see daylight. Made a huge mistake when we came out of Partnach Gorge, out of the gorge. You go up, there's a sign there apparently that tells you to go to the left. We didn't. We were mesmerized by this beautiful water and went to the right. And then we saw strangers hiking over there in the woods, and we thought, oh, that must be the way you go. Yeah, well, lesson learned. Don't follow strangers in the woods because they might not be going on the same trail that you are. That little lesson cost us an extra 2 hours. I don't know how long we've been climbing straight freaking up, but that's what we've been doing. And if you don't believe me, I will show you. All right. Oh my gosh, I almost fell right down that hole. Okay. So I know you can't really see, you can't really feel the pain. Looking out in the nature, you have no idea what's going through my mind right now, because we went through the beautiful gorge. I did not know we were going to have to climb up over the frickin' top of it to get out. So COVID-19 is rearing her little ugly head down here in Bavaria. So it's one way in, and the only way out is up and over. So we've been going up and up and up. Okay, so we came around the corner up at the top. I'm going to be looking down a lot so I don't bust my petunia. And there was a sign up there, and it pointed back to the direction we had come, and it said a half an hour. Oh, the opposite direction of what we had just climbed up to go where we want to go. So somebody's lying or somebody, oh. Anyways, there was a cluster of people up there, like 5 or 6. That's a cluster out here. They're all pointing at the different signs. Everybody doesn't know where to go. Everybody's thinking about going a different direction. Oh, it's going to be worth it though. Oh my goodness, it's going to be worth it. Okay, hang in there. Getting ready to get rewarded for all this nonsense, and there's some more signs. It's a good thing. That's a very good thing. It's slicky here. Oh my gosh, we gotta make decisions again. Why is it saying that? 60 minutes? We're going the wrong freaking way. What the shit's going on? The ski station is up. I'm not going back up there. I'm going down. 10 minutes. What is that? That's 10 minutes away. That's where I'm going. Yep. I'm not playing anymore. I don't care. We are getting ready. We're just going to keep going down. I'm going to flip over to the other side. I think, oh, look at that. Wow. What?
This is the closest.
I know, right? That's what I'm saying. Like, those signs, what the shit? What's going on, man? This is ridiculous. But, oh, how beautiful is that? Okay, so anyways, that is gorgeous. But I don't know. We gotta figure, it's serious now. We gotta figure out where we're going. Because this is, look, there's a cluster of people over there. Everybody's freaking trying to figure out where they're going. Nobody knows. Oh my God, people are going up. Why are they going up? I don't want to go back up. Oh yeah, see? They're discussing it down there. They're like, what the poo? Oh yeah, Chris is like, oh, he's got his walking stick pointing it out. I'm going down. Screw it. I'm just gonna keep going down. Oh my gosh, there's people up there. Where are they coming from? Oh, this is so not right. Like, where are they coming from? I don't know. Okay, we haven't seen them before, so that's a good sign. So down over there.
That one's going down.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want to go up. Okay, let me. We finally got a quick drone flight in, and now we are hooked. This was our very first flight ever outside. So, of course, we still have a ton to learn. But I can tell you what we have learned so far. Flying a drone is a real thing. Like, you have to be registered, you need insurance, and if you get super serious about it, you can even take a drone pilot course online.
I'm under your spell. Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection.
I will be posting another video from a trip we took prior to COVID-19 when we had family visiting from the States and we went to the Oktoberfest in 2019. We did the cable car to the Zugspitz and a few other things in the area. Bavaria is one of those magical places that you will want to revisit. So don't stress over the places you don't get to see the first time around. Focus on having a good time and being in the moment. Because life is better when you cattywompo. Thanks for watching Travel with Nana T. Please subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Also, comment below on your travel experiences.
When you take my hand, then I am under your spell. Oh, and you make my
Yeah, and whatever you do, don't follow strangers in the woods.